there, kids! It's your friendly, yummy strawberry! Yup, the sweet, juicy one that you all love! You know, I've been told I'm the life of every fruit salad. Can you blame them? I'm basically a celebrity in the fruit world. But let me tell you some things about me that'll make you laugh, gasp, and maybe even say, "Whoa, I didn't know that." First off, let's clear up a little confusion. Did you know I'm not actually a berry? Crazy, right? Scientists say I'm more like a wannabe berry. The real berries, bananas. Yup, bananas are legit berries, and I'm not. But hey, let's not tell the blueberries. They might get jealous of how much everyone loves me. I'm just too sweet to start fruit drama. And get this, my seeds aren't really seeds. They're called achinis. Each one is a teeny tiny fruit all on its own. That means I'm like a fruit inside another fruit with even more fruits. It's like I'm hosting a fruit party, and every achene is a guest. Pretty cool, right? Here's a bit of history to tickle your brain. My great-great-grandparents were wild strawberries from North and South America. Then, some fancy folks in Europe decided to mix two of my wild cousins together, and poof, here I am. The perfect mix of sweet, juicy, and just a little sassy. You could say I'm an international superstar. Let's talk versatility. I'm not just a one-trick pony. Nope! I can be turned into jam, blended into smoothies, baked into cakes, and even made into lip balm. Can you imagine your lips smelling like strawberries all day? That's what I call living the sweet life. Oh, and strawberry milkshakes? Those are basically spa treatments for your taste buds. If you've never tried one, you're seriously missing out. Here's something fun. I'm shaped like a heart, which makes people think I'm all about romance. And okay, I'll admit it, Valentine's Day is kind of my thing. People dip me in chocolate, put me in desserts, and basically treat me like royalty. But between you and me, I think they just can't resist how good I taste. Did you know there's a town in California named Strawberry? Yup, an entire town named after me. I wonder if they've built a statue in my honor. Maybe I should visit someday. Imagine a giant strawberry statue. Now that's what I call a sweet tribute. Want to hear something really wild? There's a world record for the largest strawberry ever grown. It weighed over 8 ounces. Can you imagine a strawberry that big? That's like me after a visit to the strawberry gym, or maybe the strawberry buffet. All right, kids, that's all for now. Stay awesome, stay fruity, and keep smiling. See you next time. Bye!